Hey, hey, it's your girl Sholz. We're gonna be making some mango habanero wings today. I am so excited because this recipe came out so perfect. It is so delicious. If this is your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. So I have here about 17 winglets cleaned out and I let them rest for a few minutes. And now we're gonna just take out all the excess water. Don't skip this part, guys. We want these wings crispy, so we got to make sure we dab it dry. Take all that excess water out. Now we're going to season. I have here some garlic powder, some paprika, some black pepper, some salt, and also some onion powder. All measurements are in the video and also in the description below. So go ahead and mix all of that in and let your wings sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to cook. I'm also gonna add some baking powder just to get it extra crispy. It's optional but highly recommended. I'm gonna be using my air fryer, guys, but you can also use your oven. If you're using an oven, just make sure you use a rack that allows hot air to circulate through your wings. Try not to overcrowd it. I have a 6-quart air fryer here, which kind of works. Cook it on 370 degrees for about 30 minutes, and we're gonna flip halfway if you're using an oven. Now we're going to make our sauce. Peel your mango. I'm using 2 large mangoes. Put that in your blender. Add some garlic. I'm using 2 cloves and also half a part of ginger. I'm also going to use the juice from 1 whole lemon. Squeeze that into your blender. Now add your habanero peppers. I like it real spicy, guys, so I'm using 2. You can use just 1 or just take out the seeds to tone it down. So blend all of that together. Now our wings has been cooking for 15 minutes. I'm just going to shake it around. If you're using an oven, go ahead and flip and put it back for another 15 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and make our sauce. I have here 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And add your blend mango and habanero mix in there. Cook on a medium heat, medium to low heat, and just let all of that combine together. Just keep mixing, stir occasionally as you cook it, so all those flavors just combine nicely. We're also going to season. I'm going to season with some paprika and some salt. Taste it, guys, and adjust to your taste. For me, paprika and salt is all I needed. Try not to overpower the mango and habanero because that's what this is all about. So I tasted it and I feel like I need a little bit more sweetness to complement the spicy. So I added 2 more tablespoons of honey. Reduce the heat on low and just let that cook until it looks kind of like this. Set that aside and let it cool. So our wings are ready, guys. You can see they look delicious and they're very crispy. You can just hear how crispy they are. Now we're just going to add our sauce. I'm using about 1/3 of the mix that we made. Just add that generously and mix it together. And then we're going to put it back in the air fryer or oven for a few more minutes. I'm going to do 400 degrees for 5 minutes. If this is fine for you, you can stop here, but I just want that extra crispiness, so I'm going to put it back in. So while that's cooking, I'm just going to go ahead to store the leftover of my mango habanero sauce. I can use this for more wings. I can use it for ribs. I can put it on vegetables. It's very versatile, guys, and it's so delicious. So just let that cool and store for the future. And our wings are ready. I can't wait to dig in. It smells so good. It looks beautiful. I hope you all try this recipe, guys. It is so pretty and tastes amazing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a new recipe video. So we're gonna go ahead to do a taster. Of course, I like to be extra, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more sauce. Ooh, It looks so good.
Ooh, baby, this is so good. Mmm. 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 Wow.
Thanks for watching, guys. I don't think I'm ever buying mango habanero wings from anybody again. And I know you'd say the same when you try this recipe. But until next time, bye.